Hello and welcome to another video from me, Aoife Gaffney from Prudence Moneypenny Coaching, the Money Coach. Have you been given a gift voucher or gift card as a birthday gift or a Christmas gift? If so, this is a really simple way to add it to your spending plan. So it's a way of recording all the money that you receive because all money is real. But gift cards can be a little bit difficult to allocate to your budget because in a lot of cases they have already been predefined as to where you can spend it. So you might have been given a gift card for a particular shop, or you might have been given something a bit more generic that you can spend at different places. So it doesn't really belong, it doesn't belong in your wallet because it's not cash, and it doesn't belong in your bank account balance because the money didn't find its way into your bank account. The simplest way to add it to your spending plan, so adding it to your spending plan allows you to allocate the money to the right place and also then allows you to track how you spent that. So before we start, I'm just going to go to my report screen here. Now this is a sample plan, so I can see that my net worth here has gone up €2,000. So for the month of December, my net worth is €4,000, and this is just based on the data that I've put in for the last 2 months. In my budget here this number is grey because I have allocated all of the money from the various different bank accounts, and I've allocated the money to the various headings here. So with a gift card, I need to give it a purpose. Remember the rules of using this particular piece of software. The first rule or guideline is to give every euro or every dollar a job. So it doesn't really matter where the money has come from, whether it has come from cash, whether it has come into your PayPal account, whether it's come in the form of a gift card or a voucher. It's very important to give all of that money a job. So this year I was gifted a voucher for my local hairdressers. So I need to add it in. So the first thing I need to do is to hit the add account button here. So I'm going to add account, and I'll always use unlinked for lots of reasons. For starters, one less security hoop to jump through, but also it allows for entering your transactions more mindfully. If you're importing data, things can get a bit muddled and you can end up with duplicates. So I'll always choose the unlinked option. I'm going to give it a nickname. So it's a voucher, call it a gift card, whatever you want. Local hairdresser. And I can change that at any time, so you don't need to overthink it. Now the type of account, I have a checking account, which is what we would normally call a current account. I have savings, cash, credit card, or line of credit. So a line of credit would be something like a store card. So it's not a current account, it's not savings, it is a voucher is more like cash, so I'm going to select that option. And the current balance is €100, and there we go, it has been added. Now what is important is to note that here I now have €100 ready to assign, but because it is for my local hairdressers, I can't really use that money for my grocery bill or for my mortgage or for my electricity or for anything else. So it has already been pre-assigned. So I need to give it a job. So I see actually I don't have haircuts in here. So I'm going to add a category. So I'm going to call it personal care. I'm going to add a category. And this is an overarching heading. And here on this plus here, I'm going to add in haircuts. And so I take the amount there. Because the voucher, the gift card that I was given is for my local hairdressers, I can't really allocate the money to another place. So I add in the €100 as a gift card. So if I come here, I'll see I have the balance of my gift card is €100, and that €100 has been assigned for haircuts. So I see a very small change there in my net worth. It has gone up by €100. and all of the money there has been allocated. So when I do go to the hairdressers and I've booked myself in for next week, I will go and I booked myself in for next week, but let's say I'm going to spend the money on Friday. So I have to create a payee, so I haven't paid them yet. Haircuts, and I'm probably going to spend about half of it, which is what I would normally spend on a haircut, about €50 plus tip. So I hit spend. Now that has been future dated, but that is how I then spend from that gift card, and that balance won't change now until next week. So that is how to add gift cards or vouchers to your spending plan without affecting the other categories, or without affecting your bank balance or the money that you have in your wallet. So generally a gift card or voucher has been predefined, so you add it as an account and then allocate the money to that relevant heading. So I hope you find that useful. If there's other questions that you have, please do let me know, and do enjoy your holiday break.